Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, yeah, we didn't catch up. How are you guys? Okay, today I'm going to make a video regarding I'm going to install a dashcam camera, CarPlay infotainment system. You know, nowadays very hot, right, I think. Okay, I've arranged something with AlienRider Singapore. They're going to install it on my bike so that I can experience it and share my feedback, my review about it, share with you guys. They didn't pay me anything, so basically it's not sponsored. So I'm free to say whatever I want to say, they say, be it the good or the bad. They say if the bad also just say it so that they can improve the thing, which is good. I like when company do that. Okay, so basically today I'm going to show you guys, share with you guys the installation process and share with you guys my first impression. Then maybe the following video I will go in depth on the device so that I can let you guys know whether it's worth to buy or not. Okay, see you guys ahead. Guys, I'm currently at Moto. This is the place I'm going to install the device. The device will be AlienRider M2 Pro. It will be installed by Moto. Later I will show you guys the installation process, and after that we will go through the device. I will try to go in depth a bit. See you guys later. ADV 350, very nice. By the way, Moto, a lot of scooter accessories. Engine oil, RCB, battery, YS, Pro fender also here. Yeah, Pro fender logo. I think here a lot of Xmax riders, ADV, Forza, Nmax, Aerox. All come here. Okay guys, the item getting prepared. Okay, I prepared beforehand. I installed the mount here, the GPS mount, but according to the mechanic, he said this kind of mount too thin. This is 12mm. He said later will vibrate. So lucky I stand by another one, bought on Shopee. It's a 22mm one, thicker, for Xmax. Yeah. See how it goes later. Oh, come with memory card, power. This one the shade AlienRider M2 Pro. Nice. Dah cukup handsome bro. Masuk YouTube ni, masuk YouTube bro. Masuk YouTube bro.
Masuk YouTube.
Masuk YouTube. Oh. AlienRider. TPMS camera, LiDAR sensor. From what I know. Got memory card lah. Now we are finding the spot where to put the LiDAR sensor and the camera. I think camera will go here, the LiDAR will go under the box rack. Mana-mana bang, sama je. Okay, now we are going to put the front camera under the Xmax V1 high beam. Just now I share my concern. I scared if the fog bottoming will spoil the camera. But I think no lah. So far I didn't bottom Xmax front fog. Anyway, my oil also recently I changed to the thicker one. So hopefully everything is okay. I see some people put on the fender will vibrate a lot because the tire move with the suspension. So we put up here. LiDAR sensor. This for the blind spot monitoring. how the wire going to run later. Okay, the camera already installed here. I don't want to install here because this thing is soft. The mudguard is soft, will vibrate a lot. Here better. Actually, I can put the camera here also actually, but never mind lah. Here is okay. What's your name again, bro? Sean. You watched my Forza review with Fahantri before you decide to buy this Hope it really help lah.
Yep.
So you think it's the right decision or not?
Not bad.
Not bad Okay lah, enjoy your Forza, man. It's a good bike. Yeah. Take care.
Okay. Right.
Engine looking good after 50,000 km. Engine mounting okay Okay.
Mounting belum pernah tukar
Tak pernah. Tak pernah tukar pun. Valve clearance pun belum 50,000.
Tapi engine senyap lagi okey lah.
Skru pun belum tukar lagi.
Engine senyap kan.
Cam yang skru tu kan
Oh, yang terlalu terjabut kan.
belum tukar. Orang yeah guys, my mileage 50,000 already. I haven't changed the camshaft screw, the one that AlienRider always face the problem, the screw drop. So far still okay, so I just leave it first. Valve clearance also haven't yet. Sengit wasted this one if you park you cannot easily remove, you know, the monitor. The what?
The thing is, you know, Chinese people say that Chinese doctor.
Yeah lah.
For anyway,
Okay guys, it's all done, installed already. Okay, later I will go somewhere, I will test out the unit, I will go through a bit, first impression. Shout out to Moto for installing. Thanks a lot. Okay bang, terima kasih pasangan.
Okey, bang sama.
Dah nak jalan ni.
Terima kasih bang.
Okay, terima kasih. Jumpa lagi ya. Okay bang, terima kasih bang. Brother, thank you very much. Thank you for installing for me Oh, here's the box. Okay guys, I just reached my home car park. In this video I'm going to let you know only my first impression of this thing. I will go in depth in another video because I need to use it like maybe 1 week, 2 weeks first before I really come to conclusion. Okay, the first impression what I noticed about this CarPlay thingy I don't need to mount my phone on my phone holder because damn, Okay, I connect my phone to my Bluetooth headset and my phone to the CarPlay, to the device, to the AlienRider. I can control the song selection, be it Apple Music or YouTube Music or Spotify. I can control the song choices. I can control the volume. Volume I didn't really set lah, but got volume icon there, but I didn't adjust volume. I didn't try. That one next video I will go in there. But song selection, you can just choose song over there. Then map also, you can type on Google Map your address, destination. Wow, you don't really need to on phone anymore. My phone just now I tried to put in the pocket. It works The GPS, the map also it works. That's my first impression By the way guys, come. The only thing I need to get used to is like the blind spot detection keep on coming out just now while riding. But I think it's a good thing. It remind me that there's car overtaking me from the side, rear. And also when the car came close to me earlier on, also the rear blind spot detection come out. I don't know why. I think because I was near to the sensor, to the LiDAR sensor. Okay, just a short one Okay, the LiDAR sensor, the camera. Earlier on, the first mechanic put here. Then we decided to shift it in the middle so more balance This one thing. The one thing if you guys want to get Chingy or AlienRider, right? The first few thing I can tell you the advantage of AlienRider is they're using LiDAR for the sensor detection, blind spot detection. I think Chingy using their camera, just their camera. This is more accurate That's why the new iPhone also they put LiDAR on near to the camera for detection. And this is the first thing what I like the AlienRider. You see the bezel so sleek. Some of the other brands the bezel like so thick. This one the bezel so thin. You see? Like very sleek very modern You don't want like big bezel, then the screen small, right? And I think by the screen size also AlienRider is bigger. If I'm not wrong, it's 6.1 inches. I think the Chingy is 5 inch or 5.1, 5 point something. This is bigger. So far it's been good. My front camera is here. When next video I will try to look into the camera quality also. Yeah, TPMS. Okay, this is also another thing I want to find out. Okay, because just now when I try to open the cap, TPMS cap. Okay, I learned something new. Okay, when you open the cap, only the air come out. Unlike the traditional valve cover, you open also air won't come out. This one you open only air will come out. So I'm not sure how tight it is. This one I will try to look into this. I hope it doesn't leak If it's a normal leak, normal like loose air a little bit, that one standard Even the normal tire valve also will have loose air a bit. I hope it's not drastic but I think should be okay for now. Just now I've been monitoring my TPMS. It's about where it should be The rear one, the front one here. Okay guys, I will get back for the in-depth review of this thing. But for now, this should be all. I was told by AlienRider Singapore just now, currently August there's a promo. If you buy, you get the cap for the device. You get this cap and you get free memory card, SanDisk 128GB. If I'm not wrong, yeah, for August promo. He also said the distributor is Moto, Moto Mall and Visado. For the west, he said better to go Moto Mall. For the east, can go Moto or Visado Moto. And okay, that's all for now. I will follow up in another video. I would like to thanks to AlienRider for letting me try out the unit, and also thanks to Moto for installing it just now. Quite difficult to install it wiring, especially for a person that don't know much wiring. It look a bit challenging. He do for me quite neatly everything. So far okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will follow up on this. See you guys in the next one. Okay, bye bye.